absolutely love working with Danny. He is the best from beginning to end. He has been so supportive. He communicated so well. He made this party the best. Thank you so much, Danny, for everything that you've done. It was awesome.
Yeah, I'll mimic that same response from start to end. It's been nothing but just reassurance that the whole process will be taken care of. I really appreciate everything that he's done. Smooth cat, mellow, he just took care of everything.
Yes.
I really do appreciate everything. The whole crowd had a blast. Everybody was on their feet.
Look at my hair, sweat it out.
I am burning up right now. This was absolutely amazing. I do not think that I will ever hesitate recommending Danny or even utilizing him again for
Absolutely.
any future.
More parties to come.
I think that he'll probably deny us for New Year's or something like that. But it doesn't hurt to ask.
Right, absolutely.
Right?
We love you, Danny.
Danny, from the bottom of our hearts, I really truly appreciate this. My daughter did have the most amazing time. All of the guests had an amazing time.
You became family.
Yeah, you're one of us now.
Absolutely.
So